Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube TV on Roku. In order to do it, you first have to come on the home page of Roku TV and you need to just click on this search bar. After that, you will be redirected on this page where in this search bar you will have to simply search for YouTube, and once you type YouTube, in the right hand section you will see YouTube TV in the list. So you need to click on it and then you will be redirected on this page where you will see YouTube TV. So you need to click on add channel in order to add YouTube TV, and then you just have to click on go to channel. Now once you do this, you will be redirected on YouTube TV page where you can try it for free, meaning that you can just subscribe for the free trial, or if you already have an account on YouTube TV, you just have to simply sign in with your account. So this is how you can basically watch YouTube TV on Roku. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.